Pineapple upside down cake. That was really stupid. All right, pineapple upside down cake. That's what we're making today. Classic dessert. Don't see it around too much anymore. I don't know why. It's really delicious. I'm going to show you a couple of ways to make this really delicious. Let's start making this. All right, first thing we want to do is cut our pineapple. I got this tool here, this pineapple coring tool. Actually works really well. I'll show you how easy this works. Just take our pineapple, cut the top off. Then you have the core right here. This circles the core. That's not good to eat. So we just take this, it's spiked right here, put that around the core, and just twist down. And this will nicely remove all the flesh from the pineapple, all the way down until you reach the bottom. Pull it up. There you go. Nice cored pineapple. And then the juice in there, I like to usually drink it, but for this cake, I'm going to keep that juice, put some into our batter. Now we'll just take these pineapples out and just take them off so we have some rings, or enough to go up the sides of our pan. So we have plenty of pineapple for this pineapple upside down cake. Got half a cup of melted butter. Pour that to the bottom of our pan. Half a cup of packed brown sugar. Put that in there. We just want to mix that around. Completely cover the bottom. It's going to give us a nice topping for our upside down cake. What I like to do is add just a splash of some good rum. Just a splash. Give it a little more flavor. I like the rum with the pineapple. Gives it a nice little added flavor. Of course, if you don't want the alcohol, you could just omit that. So we have our topping lined. Topping on the bottom. Now we'll take our pineapple rings on the bottom, like so. And anywhere there's gaps, just fill it in with pineapple. Any gaps, I'll show you what we'll do. We'll add our cherries, but not any normal cherries. So that looks good for the bottom with the pineapple. And now along the sides, we'll put more pineapple. But before that, we got our cherries. If you saw our video for the stuffed French toast, check that video out. These are the cherries to use. Usually we see the maraschino cherries you get in the supermarket. These are just much better. We're gonna put some of these in there. These are the real Italian maraschino cherries. I'll put a link to get these. You gotta try these at least once. I guarantee you like them better than the supermarket maraschino cherries. So anywhere we have a gap, we'll just insert a cherry. We got the rum we added and these Luxardo cherries. Pineapple upside down cake, better than the rest. And now we'll just take our remaining pineapple and go up the sides here. So our base is ready. Get the oven preheated to 350 and we'll make our cake batter and add that to this and bake this off. So for our cake batter, I got half a cup of unsalted butter softened to room temperature, 3/4 of a cup white sugar. Gonna cream that together. Add to that our 1/4 cup fresh pineapple juice. We'll crack in 2 eggs, one at a time. Just add a nice teaspoon of pure vanilla. All right, set that aside. We'll get our dry ingredients. Separate bowl, 1½ cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. So we'll start to incorporate our dry ingredients to our wet while adding, we have half a cup of milk. So we'll add this a little at a time. We don't want to dump it all in. It's a really easy cake batter, but it's really delicious, especially with that pineapple juice. Got half a cup of whole milk right here. Now we'll bring back pineapples and then just put this cake batter right on top. just like so. Smooth it out a bit. Since this is going to rise a bit, put a sheet tray under it. Put that in the oven. Check on it in a half hour. All right, it's been 45 minutes in the oven. Cake's looking good. Toothpick's clean. Let this hang out for at least 15 minutes. Then we'll take it out. See how we did. So now we just want to take a spatula just to dislodge it a bit. Plate on top. Give it a flip. Just gently lift. Looks pretty good. Got one little piece. Pineapple, it didn't come up. That's all right. It's still in there, so we'll just patch it on. No one will ever know. But that looks pretty good. All right, let's cut a slice of this. Make sure we get some cherries. Another plate. Like so. And then to finish it, back to that cherry. Just take some of that juice here for a little nice sauce. Just a touch. That looks pretty good. Get a nice bite of that. Make sure we get a cherry on there. Really good. Get a hint of that rum. And the pineapple juice is a must in the cake batter. Really brings everything together. I love this cake. Make sure you get those cherries too. They're really a lot better than the store-bought maraschino cherries. So thanks again for watching. My name is Nick. Subscribe to the channel, new videos every week. Hit the like button. Really helps this channel reach more people. And we'll see you next time.